Hi, this is Bill from CFO Knives. I just wanted to do a quick YouTube video to show the new Microtech Ultratech Hellhound. This is the production version. It has a carbon fiber handle on the top. It has all bronzed hardware. The blade is bronzed also, and the flats are satin. It's actually a two-tone blade. Again, I just wanted to show it to you. If you have any questions, you can go to our website. It's www.cfoknives.com. Go to our contact page. We'll be more than happy to answer any questions you have, or if you're interested in purchasing one, I'll put a link on the bottom in the description. Again, this is the new production version, Ultratech Hellhound. Model number is 119-13CF. These are listed now on the website. They're available for purchase. Again, if you have any questions, just go to our contact page. Shoot me an email. I'll be more than happy to answer any question you may have. If you're interested in purchasing one, I'll have a link on the bottom. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.